Alao, a popular artist, during a cross-examination in court for a custody, a lawyer asked him, he mentioned the lesson. Alao reacted very strongly, and the public stated that the lawyer was being insensitive for mentioning his dead son. What does the law have to say about it? First of all, law and emotion don't go hand in hand. The lawyer is allowed to ask a sensitive question when it comes to the welfare and the best interest of a child. The lawyer can ask questions when it is relevant to the parental conduct, to the parental capacity, to emotional stability, financial provision, home environment, and safety. So the main issue here is relevance. Was it relevant to the case? The court is going to check if the lawyer in question was trying to be oppressive or to intentionally damage the character of the artist in question. Alawo's reaction can legally affect his case because custody has to do with evaluating temperament. And if he keeps losing composure, the other party may argue that he has anger issue, is emotionally unstable. A lawyer can argue that past conduct is evidence of future capacity. If a child died in your environment, what have you put in place for safety? Who was in charge of the child? And was there a negligent act? Was it true negligence? All this, the court is going to consider them. If you could not keep one child in your household, how can the court trust you with another? Another test of relevance is if Alao has portrayed himself as a responsible father, the lawyer can try to see if that is credible by testing that image, by asking such a question. Negligence is not erased by grief. If the court should check the circumstances of death and in fact sees that Alao was reckless and negligent with his dead child, then it is actually relevant for a lawyer to ask him such a question. However, if the lawyer tries to overreach and make it a criminal trial of the dead child, the court is going to step in. All in all, it is important to note that the law does not deal with emotions, but facts that are relevant to the case.